Aye, ever noticed how grand a rhino is? Towering, mighty, yet gentle. Rhinos, they're the armored giants of the wild, been around for more than 50 million years. Imagine that, 50 million. They're herbivores munching on leaves, branches and fruits. Nothing too fancy for these big lads. 5 species of them are left, 2 in Africa, 3 in Asia. Some have 1 horn, others 2. But all of them are a sight to behold. Unfortunately, they're in a bit of a tight spot, victims of poaching for their horns. It's a sad state of affairs, but hey, we can help support conservation efforts, spread the word. Rhinos, they're worth fighting for. Remember, every bit helps. So here's to the rhinos, the ancient, majestic giants of our world.